Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to set up certificate issuance for a course and create different certificate grades based on a learner results. To get started, go to the required course and open its settings and go to the award settings page. Here you can choose which type of reward learners will receive after completing a course. To issue a certificate, select Award Certificate. You can then choose the certificate template that will be used for learners who complete the course. Certificate templates can be customized under Visual Settings section, Certificates tab. If needed, you can enable the option to display the learner's course score on the certificate. If you want learners to receive different certificates based on their results, you can use the Certificate Grades feature. Enable this option to create multiple certificate grades. For each grade, you can configure several parameters. First, specify the condition under which the learner will receive this grade. For example, you can set a specific score range. Then specify which grade will be assigned when condition is met, for example, basic. You can also choose the grade color, which will be used to display the grade in statistics. Finally, select the certificate template that will be issued to the learner when they meet this specific condition. If needed, you can add multiple grades using the Add Grade button. For example, you can create separate certificate grades for basic, medium, and high results. Done. If you no longer need a particular grade, you can delete it by click on the cross next to it. Once all the settings are configured, click Save. Also, you can issue certificate from here and add to this template a custom course number that is configured on the same page in Visual Settings. Now let's look at where you can view the statistics for issued certificates. Go to the Statistics and Reports section, Awards Certificates. Here you can view statistics for certificate issue for different courses. The table shows the certificate issue date, learner's email, full name, grade if grades have been configured, and the template that was used. You can also regenerate a certificate. For example, if a learner's first or last name was entered incorrectly or changed, and view the certificate using its verification link, or delete the certificate. Please note that a certificate for a specific learner can be regenerated only once per day. You can also issue certificates from here and delete certificates in bulk, selecting course name. To export the statistics for issued certificates, click at the three dots menu and select the required export format. I hope that helped, and good luck with your academy.